So as we navigate our respective paths in the world of marketing, let us have a glimpse of the topic of the panel with the help of a video.
There are two questions when it comes to RWE and pharma marketing. The first is the simplest one. What is RWE? And the second is, how do I use RWE in my marketing strategies? So the objective of the panel is simple, to understand what is RWE from a medical perspective and how to take the insights of medical related data and bring it into a marketing campaign, how to marry the two so that there is a win-win situation for both medical and marketing.
Now, coming to the question, what is RWE? We keep hearing real-world evidence. Now, this real-world evidence, which was created way back a decade or more than a decade in USA, it was very easy for them because they had real-world data. And what is real-world data for them? It is basically the health insurance, the claim, medical claims, the billings, besides that the medical records, various patient registry, various patient data.
Now what is it that a marketer requires? He wants to position that particular brand, of course the molecule, make a differentiator communication, position it to the right type of patient. So a real world evidence data would give you which type of patient the drug is prescribed?
See, I think there are two types of post-marketing studies people can talk about. One who is so knowledgeable sitting in the head office may say, post-marketing study is a phase 4 study where probably a regulator asked you, after giving a DCGI approval, they asked you to do a phase 4 post-marketing study, which is like a proper study. The other thing, which is probably a little out of the head office, come into the field.
Now, at clinics, at times it's difficult to get a consent of the patient for any trial. They will have some issues. So many a times, retrospective data, you have a retrospective data.
See, I think in brand plans, when we go about brand plan exercise every year, each company has their own timelines defined in quite a few brand plans across therapy areas. Evidence generation being, one of the caveat.
Let's look at the healthcare ecosystem in current context. It's under a lot of scanner. You have the government imposing a lot of rules with respect to taxation to the pharma companies. You have the NMCs, which are doling out guidelines, moral policing, what to do, what not to do. And you have the media.
What a super summary of the entire panel. Thank you for that. And I would now like to say that the panel is over.